So this is my grid layer. I want to start populating these grids with more information, with more content, with more GIS content. So our population data I was mentioning earlier, it's not just available at a pin code or locality level. It's actually available at a really granular level of 150 meters into 150 meters. So using our get demographic data for these 2 kilometer grids, I can start populating it with information. One is what is the population. The second is maybe I want to understand number of households. Number of household population. I want to understand what is the monthly household income. I want to understand what is the footfall of this area. So I'll just query all of this. I'll calculate the data, and in a couple of seconds, each of these grids would have population, monthly household income, and footfall.